recurring payment affiliate tools are available, multiple hop links, and it is mobile friendly. So average dollar per conversion is sitting at $52.46. Unfortunately, though the gravity score is only at about 37.83, which is a bit low. Next up we have Sqribble, so that's with a Q, but like without the C. And this one a lot of people use for ebooks and courses. We did see this in the last video when we were going through like one of the best offers that Clickbank offers, and this one did come up, but we'll just go through it for the sake of it. Just looking at it though, looking at the gravity score, it doesn't seem too high. But anyways, moving on, the title says world's #1 ebook creator, up to $500 a customer. This is only available in English. The stats include gravity score 43.38, initial dollar per conversion is $30.94, reoccurring dollar per rebill is $3.29. Description reads here, wow, $4 I think that's supposed to be million or multi-millionaire, I'm not sure, but in sales, or maybe they misspelled it, could be by Genius a deal oh, so this is the same thing that we read initially, so I'm not going to go through that. It's just convincing affiliates to go ahead and sign up with a program. But the important thing to take note of here is your gravity score is only 43.38, which is quite low. Up next we have the initial dollar per conversion, which is just $30.94, and then lastly we have reoccurring dollar per rebill, which is $3.29. Going down we see turn text to speech with human-like voices. So let's go ahead and read more. We have TTS AI engine for professionals, great conversions, low refund rate, easily generates sales scripts and video audios without recording anything. This is available in English only, and our stats are gravity score, which is at 38.41, and initial dollar per conversion is $29.84. Reoccurring dollar rebill is sitting at $13.4, and the average dollar per conversion is $46.18. The features include upsell flow, one-time payment, reoccurring payments, $1 trial, affiliate tools, and it is mobile friendly, so that's fantastic. So this just carries on with more jobs, so I'm not going to keep on reading that, but I do want to check out social media marketing, and I believe that this is the get paid to use Facebook thing, but there are different. Okay, so we already read that. We already read live chat jobs. Make money on Twitter the lazy way. So there's another one. So this one says make money on Twitter the lazy way. And the description reads here, again, this is only available in English. It reads, fully automated system for making money from Twitter, including auto posting for tweets, affiliate links and images, high conversions, low refunds, ready-made affiliate